This is Nubia Neo 2, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So let me begin this video by sharing a few quick advices on how you can prevent overheating from occurring. So first, do not fast charge your device. Make sure that the charging equipment, so the wire and charging brick that you use are do correspond, should I rather say, to the manufacturer recommended specifications in terms of charging and, well, electrical outputs and so on, like watts, voltage, amperes. Then another advice that I have is that you do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. So do not leave it laying around somewhere under the sun, or just generally if you use your device outdoors, try your best to keep it in a shadow, in your pocket, bag, purse, whatever it is that you carry around. Now, if the overheating already occurred, you can help your device to cool itself down a little faster by opening settings, then here enter the battery category and switch on the power saver or ultra power saver for that matter. If you do not mind losing a lot of phone functionality, temporarily of course, until your device will be completely cool, should I say. Then you can also switch on a very handy charge separation feature here, which, as you can see, well, we need to plug the charger in, which I do not have on me right now, but yeah, if your device overheats during charging, just switch on the charge separation feature, which will well, help the Neo 2 phone with temperature control, should I say. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.